Hi everybody, welcome back to Steve's Garage. Today I'm replacing the starter on a 1.8T 5-speed manual Mark IV Volkswagen. I'm being that specific because I don't know the differences that engine and transmissions make with replacing the starter. I'd assume they're pretty similar across the board, but maybe a 6-speed on a 1.8T is different, or a 5-speed on a 2.0 is a little different than this. So if you don't have a 1.8T 5-speed, use this as more of a general guide. If you do, it should be specific instructions. Let's quickly cover the tools you'll need to get this done. 9mm socket, 10mm socket, 13mm sockets, 18mm socket, 1/2-inch socket, extensions, ratchet. The following items are optional: hammer and pry bar. I needed those to get the starter off the transmission. An impact gun if you want to use power tools. You could also use an air ratchet. And lastly, a torque wrench if you want to torque the starter studs to spec. Technically speaking, you don't need all of this just to remove the starter, but I'm getting the battery tray and battery out of my way, so that's what some of the additional tools are for. First things first, disconnect the negative terminal on the battery. I'm actually going to be removing the whole battery and tray. It just frees up the space, gives you some more room to work. You don't have to, but it's how I want to do it. Ignoring the mess of fog light wiring in the way, you can clearly see the starter, and what you want to do next is disconnect the lead that goes to the positive terminal on the battery. In order to access the top stud on the starter, you have to remove this little clip out of the way, and that's held on by a 13mm nut. It's a tough angle to get, but you can see the extension poking out, so just slide the socket and the extension in there, and they should be able to back it right off. I've seen some write-ups talk about going in from the side. You can remove the wheel and the wheel liner and then you have a clear access. I've seen other ones talk about only going from underneath. I don't have a lift, so the side method is right out for me. In terms of this video, I'm going from up above or underneath, whatever is easiest for me and easiest to film the job. You could probably do it all from above if you really wanted to, though to reach that lower stud it is easier to just crawl under the car. Once you remove the nut, slide the clip along the wiring and it exposes the stud on top of the starter. The lower stud is behind a bracket for a power steering line, so you have to remove that bracket and then you gain access to the head of the stud. You could probably do this from above if you really wanted to. If you look down into the engine bay, you can see where this stud and the bracket are, especially with the battery and battery tray out of the way. But I am going from below in this case because the angle for filming is better and I wanted to get my power tools in there. With the studs removed, the starter should pull straight out of the transmission, but my car put up a bit of a fight. At the time of filming this, I've owned the car for 9 years. I've never touched the starter, so who knows how old it is, and I guess it just didn't want to come out. I have a larger pry bar, so I stuck that on one end, gave it a couple taps with the hammer, and it popped it right out. Installation is just the reverse of removal, which is way easier because you're aware of that hidden stud underneath that loom bracket. Technically, those studs do have a torque spec. It's 48 foot-pounds. It's up to you if you want to do it or not. 48's not very much, but never hurts. Make sure to reconnect the wire that goes from the starter to the battery backup. In terms of today's video, I'm not reinstalling the battery because I had other work to do on the car and I needed it out of my way. So I'm just leaving that cable loose because it has to be in the right position to connect to the battery. If you do have any questions about reinstalling your battery tray and battery, or any questions about the starter replacement in general, please leave a comment. I try to answer everyone. Thanks for checking out the video, everyone. I hope you found this helpful, and please don't forget to subscribe.